Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Raptor. He's gonna ramp that.
125 cc.
Yep. 125 cc. He's gonna ramp it like a savage. Look at that fear. He has no fear. He is ready to do this. Okay, repeat that. Sorry. He is ready to do this, as you can hear. Yep. Go. It's getting warmed up. Just warming up his dirt bike. He's just warming up. Okay. He needs to make sure he got it in third gear. So he can go fast enough. Oh, how do you like our little thing we've made? Like that. Yeah. Here's my guy.
Here I go.
He's going. Okay, go. There he goes. He ramped that. This is his first time ramping it, by the way. We just built it. We decided we could show you guys. There's a wild, ugly guy with a red helmet. His natural habitat. There he is, the savage. Are you gonna try to go faster?